Hey guys, welcome back to Delve. Today I will be showing you how to add IDM extension in Brave browser. So to do this process, first things first is go to your extensions and make sure you have the developer mode turned on over here on the top right corner. Now over here, you could just simply go ahead and go for the IDM, of course. Make sure to download the Internet Download Manager, and you just simply have it on your computer. Now, to have the extension file, you just simply go to the file location of your IDM or Internet Download Manager by going to the this PC, go to the C, and then go to the program files 86 Internet Download Manager over here. And now just simply go ahead and try to scroll down and you will have this file over here. And now once you have find this file CRX, you can just simply click and drag it over here into the Brave browser. And from here, as you can see, we now have the IDM extension. Make sure to turn it on by clicking on that. And from here, when you select on the extension, as you can see, right away, we will have the extension integrated with the Brave browser. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below. And we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.